QRC8. But yet, we are still missing problems. I would love for you to unplug your ears. Okay, you need to be solving these problems just like I am. There should be no reason of why you are not solving these problems the way that I am. I am telling you how to solve these problems, and I am telling you that these problems are going to be on your test just the way that you see them. So there should be no reason of why we do not know how to solve these problems, and there should be no reason of why we are getting these wrong. All of you are way too smart to be missing these problems. And we're missing them because we are not taking our time and paying attention. So on this first problem, it says, the price of 5 snacks that 7-Eleven sold are in the chart below. Bobby has $1 to spend at 7-Eleven. He buys a Slurpee and he buys a lollipop. If I'm buying something, am I losing money or gaining money?
Losing money.
Losing money. How much money did I start with?
$100.
100 cents or $1. What was the first thing that I bought?
The Slurpee.
Which cost how much?
49 cents.
Again, if I buy something, am I losing it? Am I losing that money or am I gaining that money, Alonzo? Losing it. What do you notice about my 9 and my 0? SM. The 9 is bigger. So I have to do what? Borrow. Can I borrow from my tens place?
No.
So I have to go to my hundreds and change my tens place. Did I fix my ones place?
No.
So I have to borrow again. My 10 turns to a
9.
and my 0 turns to a 10. Turn around and face this way. No, all the way around. You got this problem wrong, and you are not paying attention because you are borrowing and messing around with the manual. Do not look that way again. I'm not going to continue with my review until I have everybody's attention. I have somebody's head who is down and who is not paying attention to my review. 10 minus 9 is what?
1.
And then 9 minus 4.
5.
Am I done?
No.
Why am I not done, Benjamin?
Because you still have the lollipop.
I still have to buy the lollipop. So if I buy the lollipop, am I gaining money or losing it?
Losing it.
What do you notice about my ones place?
5 is bigger than a 1.
Excellent, Omar. So that means that I have to do what?
Borrow from your test place.
11 minus 5?
6.
4 minus 1?
3. Yes.
A lot of you just added the Slurpee and the lollipop. It did not ask you how much money did you spend. It asked you how much change are you going to be getting back. And you started with $1 or 100 cents.
Yes.
Nowhere in there did it ask you how much money did you spend. Again, we are missing easy money questions. Those should be the ones that you're getting right, because that was one of the best units that we had where we were attaining and reaching all of our goals. It's the one that's out in the hallway. There should be no reason of why we are missing money. We're missing money because we're not paying attention. So if I do 1/4, 4 nickels, and 2 dimes. Quarters have how many hairs?
5.
Nickels.
1.
Dimes.
2.
So I know the quarters 25, 35, 40, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Can I have a decimal and the cent sign? No, I cannot. So this one is not going to be my answer. The only time you can have a decimal is if you have what?
$1
A dollar sign. So your answer is going to be C. On this one, we're missing it because you're not listening to what the question is asking you. The question says, Tommy has 1/4, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. Nikki has 41 cents. How much money do they have together? Together means you're doing what?
Adding.
You have to add Tommy's amount and Nikki's amount. 1/4, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies gives me 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Plus, how much does Nikki have?
41.
And if I do stack math, my bigger number always goes on top, and I add them together. 1 plus 8,
9.
4 plus 3.
7. Yes, yes.
It did not ask you how much money Tommy had. It said together you had 2 people. It did not ask you how much money Tommy had. Nobody, I want to say the majority of my class got this problem right. And I'm glad, because you used the picture. It says, here's Bob, here's Johnny. Who has the smallest piece? Looking at your picture, whose piece is smaller? Bob's. So we can mark out all the answers that say Johnny. It's not going to be C. A says Bob and Johnny. No, it's just Bob. And then we're looking for what key word?
Smaller.
Which answer choice has Bob and smaller? Kaylee.
B.
Right there. It gives you the answer. It shows you the picture. You know Bob's is smaller, and it gives you the key word. And it's right there. Smaller. Right there for you. Use your pictures. And when you don't have pictures, draw your pictures. So on these next 2, we do not have pictures. So we have to draw them. It says, which is
Smaller.
my key word. So if I'm looking for smaller, what could I possibly mark out of these answer choices? Ones that say what?
Bigger.
Which ones say bigger or larger? Benjamin.
1/2.
No. Which one of these answer choices say the answer choice larger or bigger? SM. B says larger, right here. Any more that say larger? Emmanuel. C. So we just eliminated 2 because they say larger. We're looking for
Smaller.
We're looking for
Smaller.
Our answer choice should say
Smaller.
Well, now how are we going to figure out which one's smaller? Diego,
Because
how am I going to figure it out?
we should draw the picture so we can find out the answer.
What fractions am I drawing?
1/2 and 1/6.
1/2.
And 1/6.
Looking at my picture, which shaded area is smaller? Faith.
The 6.
My 1/6. Which one of these answer choices that say smaller gives me 1/6? Isabella. Yes. Exactly. Boom. Again, they gave us the answer. They want smaller. Which answer choice says smaller? Take those other 2 out. Then draw your picture. Figure out which one is smaller. Just like you used up here. The key word is
Smaller.
Here's a hint. On the test on Monday, they're looking for what?
Smaller. So none of them are looking for.
Okay. But on just those 2 problems. Because on the next problem we're reading, it says Michael's mom buys a lemon pie and an apple pie for his birthday. The pieces of the pie, his mom cuts the lemon pie into 3 pieces. She cuts the apple pie into 5 pieces. If Michael wants the
Bigger.
always circle so you know what you're looking for. Bigger. Out of these pictures, which shaded area is bigger? Haley. No, I asked which pie. The lemon pie or the apple pie, is it bigger? Isa. The lemon pie. This is bigger. So my answer should say that he wants what pie?
Lemon pie.
What answer choice does it say? Lemon. Zamar. A. Excellent job. So you went from smallest, bigger. Pay attention to the key words. Pay attention to the key word. These people that make these tests try to trick you. But are we better than the people who are trying to trick us? Yes, we are. We are way better than that. We are way better than this. Because are we going to let them trick us? No. How are you going to prevent them from tricking you? By using the picture, by paying attention to what?
The keyword.
Keyword. And the question. We have not looked at these problems in a long time. The question, I'm talking. The question asks for not true. If I created this to look like a 3D picture, I could finish my cube like that, right? Is one of my faces a square?
Yes.
Yes, so is that going to be my answer?
No.
Stop. It says 8 vertices. Let's see if this is true or false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does have 8 vertices. That's true. So I don't want that. It has 8 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's true.
Does it have 6 faces?
Yes.
And then for edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes.
12 edges.
I had it right.
Here's a hint. My shapes chart is still here. And here's another hint. I do not have to take it down.
I actually had it. I sat back and
So, here's a hint. Utilize things that we have in the classroom. I have a question. How many sides does the octagon have?
8.
How many sides does the octagon have?
8.
How many sides does an octagon have?
8.
Are you an octagon if you do not have 8 sides?
No.
Pay attention because there's going to be a question on the test about that. Okay. Mr. Hamilton's class collected 289 cans. Miss Frazier's class collected 236 cans. I'll wait. Which number sentence can... I'll wait. I'm not going to talk over you. Which number sentence can be used to find what?
The total.
Benjamin.
How many they are?
No. The question is right in front of you. Mario. No, that's not what I asked. Anna. How many more? How many more means what? So where in our answer choice does it show me this number sentence that I created? SY. How many more means what? How many more means what? Okay, this one and the next one. Y'all are not doing what I asked you to do. I am going to send you back on Monday if you do not do what I am about to do.
What are you about to do?
It's wanting me, it says, Kyra used the following number sentence to solve the problem. 4 plus 8 is what?
Whoa.
Based on the fact family for this number sentence, which problem was Kyra solving? What am I doing with that 12 that I just put in that box? Benjamin.
You're using that to match her problem.
It's going in each one of these boxes. If you do not solve this, and if you do not put that number in each one of these boxes, I am sending you back to your desk. And not only am I sending you back to your desk, but each time you do not put a number in a box, I'm taking 2 minutes from recess. So you better do it. Because if you don't do it, you will not get these problems right. So now I'm looking to see which one is correct. Is 8 plus 12 4.
No.
What is 8 plus 12?
20.
4 plus 12 equals 8. 4 plus 12 equals 8?
No.
What does 4 plus 12 equal?
16.
When you subtract, which number goes first?
The bigger number.
These two problems are subtraction. Which one has the bigger number first? A. You're telling me that 8 is bigger than 12. And if I did 8 minus 12, would that give me 4?
Yes.
That would?
No.
What would it give me?
-4.
It would give me -4. I cannot have a negative number. Your bigger number always comes first. No matter what. Bigger number first. Does 12 minus 8 equal 4? Yes, it does. Off of your head. Last problem on this page. We're getting this one wrong too. I have a box here. So this number plus 3 plus 4 equals 14. So I should be plugging in each one of these numbers to see if that gives me 14. So if I did 5 plus 3 plus 4, what does that give me? Are we paying attention or are we drawing on our desk?
7.
Plus 4. Plus 4.
11.
Is that what my number?
No.
If I did 7 plus 3 plus 4, what does that give me?
14.
You should be working on the problems with me. You're not even on the correct page, and you have been drawing on your desk. You were not showing me what we talked about yesterday. I'm sorry, friends. I had a scholar who was disruptive. What was 7 plus 3 plus 4?
14.
Is that what I needed?
Yes!
I'm going to keep going just to double check. 9 plus 3 plus 4. What is that?
16.
Is that what I want?
No.
15 plus 3 plus 4. What is that?
21.
Is that what I want?
No.
So 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals
14.
These problems are going to be on your test. These ones were the easy ones. If I divide this into fours. 1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4. On these, it asks for a what fraction?
1/3.
1/3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1 shaded out of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 shaded out of. Which one has 1/3? What fraction of the animals are skunks? If I divide these up, how many animals do I have?
4.
How many of them are skunks?
1. 1/4.
Y'all don't have to scream. On this one, all of you got 90, but you weren't paying attention. You cannot have the dollar sign at the end It is not $90. And you cannot have a decimal and a y'all were missing this problem, and it was because you weren't paying attention to the coin. I'll wait. I'm not going to talk over you. My pictures are on my board. If you need to take that test and come look at the coin to know, because y'all were making a dime a penny, and y'all were making a nickel a quarter.
Yeah, because they actually are kind of dark. Just so you know. They actually are kind of dark.
It should have been 53 cents. And then the last problem, you had 3 quarters, you had 1 dime, and 1 penny. 3 quarters is 75 cents. 80, 90, 75, 80, 85.
80.